regular coffee with a chicken meal. Salamat.
And also another
Nakabahan ako. Kinakabahan. Yung kinakabahan ko din.
Yeah, because, you know, this is not my environment. It's getting professional.
May nababago tayo from time to time. The platform will reward you if you are consistent. Surprisingly, that horror stories invoke my advocacy again.
May Power Mac Center dito. Daming spaces para tambayan ng mga estudyante. Ano kayang laman yan? May jeep sa loob ng Lasalo.